holiday in. Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another Drew Crazy Moto vlog. Today's vlog, I got me and my boy Tyler. I found some pretty interesting trails the other day here in my hometown, so we're gonna go check them out, do some wheelies, and I don't know, just have a moto adventure today. It's a little bit chilly, but nothing too crazy. And I don't know if y'all saw in a couple videos back, Tyler's bike actually cannot die because his battery's dead, so if his battery dies, we gotta push start it somehow. Oh my god, I love having supermoto friends. Bro, all the cars almost took off. Oh my god, that's so funny. Hey, no. Hotel, Holiday Inn. The hotel, Holiday Inn. At the hotel, Holiday Inn. Hey, we found another guy. CF Moto. That's a weird looking tail light. It looks like it's straight from a car. Hotel, Holiday Inn. Hotel, Holiday Inn. Alright, we're gonna go lefty-roo right here, roo. This is the first part of our adventure. Some small little hill climb. See if we can get some air. I can't ever get some air on this one. Yo, he stopped his bike. He stopped his bike. Yo. That's what a fucking redneck looks like. He didn't have no room to stop. Okay. Now we gotta have him hit one of these hill climbs right here. Already, bro? Dude, it's the beginning. Oh my God. You're an old man. That beard is showing. Dude, I want to hit it right there. Yeah, like right there where that big ass rock is. Huh? Yeah, I know. Oh my God. God damn. I didn't mean to hit it like that. Dude, riding with Tyler is a whole nother level, dude. That 450 power. There's nowhere to go. Let's go. Golly. Let's go, Tyler. Inside of my helmet. Tyler sees a jump somewhere. It's a pretty good jump. Oh God, my bad. Alright, let's see if he can go down here. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! You gonna send that? It's way higher, bro. Go. Okay, no, hang on, hang on. Hey. There's no way he's sending that. Hang on. Hey, just go. Oh my god. Tyler's being an old man. Oh my god. Bro. Are you good? Your arms? Your arms are done? Damn. All right. Oh shit. Oh my god, that was a big rock. Oh. This is the sketchy part. Where do we go? Damn. I'm gonna bottom out right here for sure. Oh, this is such a bad idea. What the freak did I get myself into? Okay. No. No. Oh, dude, I'm fucked. Yo. Yo. Hey, I'm fucked. My throttle. I'm cooked, bro. That's a ride. Help me pick it up.
I'm about to. Hang on. Which way do you want to go?
That way.
Here, give me your handlebars. Lean it towards me.
Damn, dude, that's bad. Hang on, hang on. Holy shit, okay. Dude, what the fuck? Who do I call?
Powersports.
Hell no. Let me call one of my homies.
Do you have one?
Yeah. A throttle tube?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Bro, you broke the throttle tube and this piece.
Yeah, that's a pretty bad. Did I bend my bars too? Damn. Dang it, man. Well, I guess that's the pause in the video. Okay, guys, so Tyler is currently pushing me. My bike is off. I have no throttle cable. I don't really know how fast we're going. It says we're going 45. We're just cruising. We gotta go all the way across town like this, but thankfully it's just on this straight road, so we got a bit though, so hopefully good luck to us. Update, me and Tyler are fucking cruising 55 miles an hour with how fast we got it to. Dang, that was such a stupid fall, bro. I knew I should not have been going right there, bro. I knew I was gonna fall over that way. And I don't know what I was thinking. I really wanted to just, I don't know. Dang it, man. Well, at least nobody got hurt. And we are cruising. This is probably as fast as my only motor pushes me. Hey, am I recording? All right. Yeah. All right. We are back because my throttle tube broke, and Tyler actually pushed me all the way across town, and I just grabbed my MT. So that's probably going to be it for that video. I don't know how long that video is going to be. It depends how much footage I got, but hopefully, ooh, okay, Tyler, okay. Hopefully it's a good amount of footage, but if y'all enjoyed this video, y'all make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure to check out my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Drew Crazy, you know it all. Tyler are going to grab some food and probably come home and fix the CRF and finish the vlog for Friday night's upload. So y'all stay tuned for that, and we'll hit a wheelie for y'all here in a second.
That you love me.
This freaking guy, I'm trying to do this.
I'll tell you my thoughts and it goes out one ear. I'll ask for the night and you end up for sure. I loved you so much it is more than you know. You're changing. It's real to love your wasting, baby. Can't take it. It's my heart, don't break it. You my one lady. How you gon' say I love you just to get some new shoes? Now you wanna leave me, is it for a new dude? How can I trust you when my heart's been broken? It's gonna take some time, just give me a moment.